Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic qcad tutorial how to draw line with 2 point. To draw line with 2 point, you can click these line icons and then you can click these tools, line from 2 points. So you need to specify for the first point, then the second point. The other option, if you want to set for length, you can click in here, like I will set into 50 and you can see line will be automatically set into 50. If you want to set into vertical, you can click at this constraint, restrict vertical option, and it will be automatically into vertical. You can click to apply. I will create again. In here, I will set into horizontal. You can click at this icon. And then for length, I will set into 70. I will move to the left. You can click to apply. If you want to move vertical again, click in here. And then set for length 50 and click again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic qcad tutorial how to draw lines from 2 points. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.